Hello kids! Today, let's learn small ABCD using only two colors. But before this, please share, subscribe and like my channel.
Brown color, orange color, A for apple, B for ball, C for cup, D for drum, E for eggplant, F for frog, G for goat, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lime, M for money, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sunflower, T for tiger, U for unicorn, V for van, W for walker, X for X-ray, Y for yellow, Z for zebra, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.